He's getting used to van life. Hello, Bubby. Hello, Bubby. What do you think of what it's like being in the van? Oh, who's a good girl? You're settling into van life really well, aren't you? Yes, you are. Who's a good girl? Do you like camping in the van? Mummy does. And we've got pizza, and I'm charging up the chargers and the lights. And we've got our bed made, and there's Kelly's bed over there. And we've got more bedding and stuff up there for when it gets cold in the night. Baby? Oh, who's a good girl? So I told you that you would like camping in the van, didn't I? Yes, didn't I? Yes. This is our new home. Mummy likes camping in the van. Who's a good girl? Yes, you're settling into van life really well, aren't you? Baby? So I told you there was nothing to be scared of. You want a tummy rub? Tummy rub? Tummy rub time. Who's a clever girl? So I told you would enjoy camping in the van, didn't I? Yes. Who's a good girl? It's fun camping in the van, isn't it? Yes, it is. Tummy rub? Say, I told you would like being in the van, didn't I? You be careful, don't you roll off there. Say, I told you you'd like it. It's fun camping in the van, isn't it? Yes, it is. Are you going to sleep with Mummy tonight? Tummy rub. You have settled into van life quite well and quite quickly, haven't you? Yes, you have. Who's a good girl? Mommy loves you too. See, I told you I was right, wasn't I? That Cal is going to enjoy van life. And it's fun living in the van, isn't it? Do you like living in the van? Yes, you do. You have settled in quite well and quite quickly, haven't you? Yes, you have. Mommy's proud of you. So we're going to have pizza for tea tonight. And this is the living area in the van. I've put up the chandelier. Hey, Bubby? What do you think of being in the van, hey? See, I told you you'd like camping in the van, didn't I? Who's a good girl? Mummy's proud of you, yeah. Mummy's proud of you. Mummy's proud of Callie. Callie's a real van chick now, aren't you? Yes, you are. Now Callie believes Mommy that it's fun camping in the van. And that there's nothing to be scared of, is there? No. And you've got your food down there. Yum yum. Who's a pretty girl? Hey, Bubby? Good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Mummy enjoys camping in the van too. Yeah, I do. Callie's a real van chick now, aren't you? Yes, you are. This is our new home, baby doll. What do you think? Who's a good girl? You've settled into van life quite well and quite quickly, haven't you? Yes, you have. Van life is fun, isn't it? Yes, it is. We're going to have lots of fun camping in the van, aren't we? Yes, we are. Aren't we, Bubby? Yes, we are. Who's a good girl? Yes, you are. Callie's a real van chick now, aren't you? Mummy is so proud of you. You have settled into van life quite quickly and quite well, which is good. See, I told you you'd like van life. Good girl. Callie's going to hop into her bed. She's not, where is she? She's sitting on the toilet.